We will need to remove this stem and crown before we can install the whole assembly into the watch case. Stem removal is actually quite simple logically. For a Seiko or TMI-NH series mechanical movement, it's basically push the crown all the way in and then press down on this lever and pull out the stem and the crown while keeping this lever pressed down. So if the movement is already installed in the watch case, or it's sitting firmly in our movement holder with the rotor facing up like this, the process is quite easy. But when the movement is not as securely supported, there are a couple other methods that I find quite useful. Method 1. If your movement only has this gray Seiko movement ring installed, and it's not installed into any other movement holders like this one, then this is by far the easiest method. You'll need the base of our hand installation assisting tool, and find this pin that comes with the tool. Install the pin into the movement holder like this, and then place this on a flat, stable surface. Now install the movement into the movement holder at an angle like this. This will ensure that the rotor is out of the way. Push the crown all the way into the winding position. You should hear this when you're winding the watch. Now using your finger with finger cuts, avoiding the second hand, you can press down on the top edges of the 3 and 9 o'clock of the dial. Apply slightly more pressure on the crown side, and then you should be able to pull out the stem and the crown. You can then pick up your movement with a pair of tweezers like this. Method 2. Our watch kit includes a foam that's shaped like this. You should be able to make one quite easily yourself. Adjust the time to 12 o'clock and wait for the second hand to align roughly with the other watch hands. Pull the crown out to the time setting position to stop the movement. Now place the foam onto the movement like this and flip the whole setup over. Keeping the whole setup steady, push the crown into the winding position. Now you can press down this lever to remove the stem. Keep in mind that once you push the crown into the winding position, the movement will start to run. That means the foam may stop the second hand. This is fine as long as you keep the movement steady on the foam. Alright, method 3. Methods 1 and 2 are kind of like shortcuts. Every watchmaker I know can remove the stem of an NH mechanical movement with just a pair of tweezers. If you would want to try this method, this is how I'd recommend doing this. Be very careful with the watch hands on the other side. You do not want to touch the watch hands. Use your left 3 fingers to have a firm grip on the sides of the movement. You can angle it slightly so that the rotor stays on the other side of the movement. Now use your right thumb and index finger to hold the pair of tweezers like this and press down on that lever. And then we can use our right middle finger to pull out the stem and the crown. That's it. With the stem removed, we can now install the assembly into the watch case.